other side, you'll find a passageway, known only to those invited to do business.
What's that?
That Githyanki contraption is...
Githyanki. Vlaakith has found us. Get rid of them, quickly!
In the meantime.
That's curious.
Something over there.
My old home. Thank you for bringing me back. Look around. You'll find some of my things still intact. Perhaps even useful to you. Rascal's collar. My poor four-legged friend. Their lives are so brief, so simple, and yet full.
What's that?
A recipe for fiddlehead soup. A favorite meal of mine. When I had need meals like that. An old container for brains. Empty. Shame. It would have been nice to find one to sustain it. The chains I used to buy my meals. Villains and lawbreakers. You see, I tried to exercise morality where I could.
That's...
My own sword. My first purchase as an adventurer. No use to me anymore. It's yours, if you want it. My cutlery set. A gift from my mother. The butter knife is missing, but otherwise it looks to be complete. I don't need it anymore, but the memory stirs something in me still. There she is, in all her glory. Jubelin Stelmane, my old partner. A shell, a keepsake from my final voyage, pinched in a moment of sentimentality. My old wardrobe, the home of all my disguises. We are what we appear to be, and so appearances matter.